Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to do printhead cleaning cycles on an Epson WorkForce Pro WF-3820. And this is nice and simple and can be done from the control panel found on the front of the printer, so there's no need for an attached PC or laptop. Now we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already on this page, just press the home button to be taken here. Now we're going to drag the screen to the right until the maintenance option is displayed, and then press to go into that. And as we can see, printhead cleaning is the third option down, so we're going to go straight into that, and then press start. Now this will take your printer a couple minutes, and it will use ink within the ink cartridges, as what it's basically doing is pushing ink through the printer's printhead to dislodge any dried or congealed ink that might have formed and is causing issues with your print quality. And once the cleaning is complete, your printer gives you the option to print a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, and I would recommend this to check for improvement as a result of the clean. Now this page breaks down the 4 colours, and the result I have here is exactly what you'd be looking for. And if we go back to the screen, see we've got the printer asking whether we've got gaps or a solid print like we've got there. And if your printer isn't looking quite as good as mine, you can just kind of go in circles doing cleans and test pages until you notice an improvement in the quality of your print. Now I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in those comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.